Alright guys, today we're in a 2005 Audi A4. This radio was in most cars from 2002 all the way to 2006. In the US, they switched to a different radio, 07. There was also a concert radio that this is also compatible with. Navigations, we have the same part but different radio. Let me show you how it works real quick. We actually extended the port behind the radio because we're doing a bunch of demos. So basically you plug this in behind the radio. This wire gets grounded, so we're going to simulate grounding it with this alligator clip. That's how easy the install is. Of course we have an install video. This is the box. This is the Enfig AU2-AUX made by Denshin. So pretty much it's their box, and we take the iPod cable out and we sell it to you as an aux. They don't have an aux option. Okay, so Enfig 3.5 to 3.5 cable. All right, this is sold separately. All right. So pretty much you turn on the radio. If you have satellite radio, there's another part you can buy on top of this to keep it. So you press CD, that's your in-dash CD. So that's CD1. You hit CD again, it'll say CDC5. That means the aux is activated. Now, you know what? Let me show you with my Android, because if you have an iPod, you will probably be using your iPod adapter. Yeah, if you have an iPod, don't get this, because the iPod adapter for a couple bucks more. Right now it's $10 more, but that could change in the future. Gives you it gives you control and charging from the radio, so I don't know why you wouldn't use it. But anyway, that's that. It's just audio. The good thing about this device though is that it has a 9-pin port, so there may be other devices coming out that you can add to it, which gives you more options. I know we're working on at least a charging device for Android phones, but you know, that's all. It's not available. Check the website for your options. This is the Enfig Enfig AU2-AUX. The box, the unit comes with a 2-year warranty on the box. First year by Denshin, second year by us. Check the website for details. EnfigCarStereo.com. My name is Christian. We do worldwide shipping. Also, we do dealer accounts. If you're a shop, we can sell this to you. That's it, man. EnfigCarStereo.com. Thank you for watching.